Hey everybody, it's Christopher Travels, homesteading. How you doing? Well, I'm doing great. I hope everyone's doing great. I have something to show you. Since it's going to get colder and freezing temps at night, my instant hot water heater, I have to unscrew it after every time I take a shower so the pipes don't freeze at night. So I'm like, how can I do this easier? Let's make this easy on me. So instead of rerouting all the piping, putting the thing inside and running the exhaust out the wall, I'm like, how can I do this? So, by keeping it outside. So I thought, oh man, if I just had an easy on and off, like, drain for both sides. So I went ahead and I went to the hardware store and I got this stuff. Okay, so basically I got a T, and then I got this to where I can drain out that hole. So it'll be sitting like this. And I already connected everything in the middle. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you outside with me. It's super windy, so I'll probably end up playing music while showing you what I'm doing. I'll put you on a tripod and show you me fixing it. Basically, I have to cut the pipe out there and then put it in the holes, and then I'm done. So I'll go ahead and show you now. Okay, it's absolutely beautiful, but just very windy today. There's my flags. I had to get a new American flag again. Harbor Freight has them for $8.99. Same quality as the last one I got, which lasted me the longest. So hopefully this lasts me pretty good. And I put up my Christmas lights here. My company had a $30 credit for us for being an employee through the holidays. And so I'm like, I'm getting some Christmas lights because I don't have any. And they're LED, so they're like 2.5 watts per strand, which is amazing. Okay, it's gonna be windy. I'm gonna take you over to the side and show you my hot water heater enclosure. And I had to paint it because it was very shiny, and every time I pulled in and it was sunny, it would just blind me. So anyway, just my shoddy paint job, but I'm gonna make it. I bought some green and some more black to make it kind of camouflage. So okay, let's go over there. Okay, here it is. So there's the enclosure that one of my subscribers, friends, got me. So let me put this stuff down. So basically I had to reinforce this thing because being metal, it would be like bang, bang, Inside it would be so loud. So on the back of the door here, I put pieces of wood, and yeah, so it's definitely a lot quieter now. But let me put this against the wall. Okay, here we go. So in here, to make it quieter, I put some flashing, and then I put some boards right here, just so it would keep it from banging, and actually it has. I just did that this morning. So here's the lovely connections, and every time I take a shower and it's going to be below freezing, I have to undo both of these. So now I don't have to, because all I have to do is cut this PVC and add that, oh, hold on. Ow, my knees. They're so bony. It's like the only bony thing on my body. So basically I'll add that like that. Okay, let me set you down and I'll get to going. Shoot, I'm gonna have to take it off one more time, just for the fun of it, right? Let me just take this one off too. This is what I had to do. Can you see? This is what I had to do every single time. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I have it pretty tight. Let's go ahead and turn on the pump. Let's go inside. Okay, so what I do is I have some fuses down here and I just keep the fuse out. There we go. Let's see if there's any leaks. I don't hear any. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. This is what I'll do after a shower. I take that out and then I'll come out here. Cross your fingers, I hope it works. You're gonna see it work or not work the same as me, so. Okay, let me set you back up. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh man. Does it go down or up? Ah! This way. Or that way. There we go. That is hard. Oh man. Okay, it's draining. Yes. So that's what I want. I want it to drain so I don't have to undo these every single time. Okay, so what fills up is there's some coils inside and they fill up with water, and my last one, the one I had before this, it actually blew, one of the coils blew because it froze in there. So, yep. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, I got them shut off. I need to make sure to remember to keep them shut off, or the water will just run right out. Let's close it up. Oh wait, I need two hands. Hold on. Phew, so windy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Cool. I think if my barn wasn't in the way, it would definitely be a lot faster. But the wind is coming the way my barn is blocking a lot of wind from the wind thing. Anyway, I hope you liked my little hack over there, and it's going to make it a lot easier to drain that water and not have to, buy a new, water heater. So I also got something, I'll have it in the next video. So it's another thing for security. So stay tuned. Thanks for being with me on this journey. Live life to the fullest. I'll see you soon. Bye.